Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making sure power and software won't interrupt pairing. Plug or charge the Huawei Airpods and confirm the iPhone 16 Pro Max runs the latest iOS. Update if needed. Then open Control Center and turn Bluetooth on. Once done, hold the closed AirPods case next to the iPhone with the lid open. Keep the earbuds inside. You do this so the iPhone can immediately detect the accessory and prompt the pairing flow without searching or timing out. You should see a pairing pop-up. Tap Connect to proceed because that quick action pairs profiles and syncs metadata like battery level. If the pop-up doesn't appear, open Settings, go to Bluetooth, and look under Other Devices to select the Huawei AirPods manually. Make sure to accept any microphone or audio permissions so calls and voice features work. You do this to avoid partial connections, pairing only for media without microphone access or having to reauthorize later. You finish by confirming the iPhone lists the AirPods as connected in Bluetooth settings and checking battery info on the device card. Then test audio playback and the microphone with voice memos or a quick phone call to verify both directions work. If audio is choppy or connection fails, reset the AirPods. Close the case, press and hold the pairing button for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks, then retry pairing. This reset clears stale profiles that often cause the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.